Why? Can't you just shut your filthy mouth?
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Pasco County in west central Florida, central Pinellas County in west central Florida, northern Manatee County in west central Florida, extreme southwestern Polk County in central Florida, and Hillsborough County in west central Florida until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 7 miles west of Anna Maria, or 17 miles west of Bradenton. Radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Tampa, St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Brandon, Largo, Town and Country, and Riverview and Pinellas Park. To repeat, a large and extremely dangerous tornado has been sighted. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. If on or near Tampa Bay, get out of the water and move to safe shelter immediately. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. In addition, severe thunderstorms can produce large capsizing waves, even on small bodies of water. Move into dock and seek safe shelter now.